In today's video, we're going to be looking at adverb of affirmation and negation. So, let's get started. An adverb is a word that gives us information about a verb, adjective, or another adverb, and tells us about the place, time, manner, degree, cause, etc. Adverbs of affirmation and negation are one of many types of adverb. Adverbs of affirmation are the words that affirm or assert some statement as real, whereas adverbs of negation are the words that refute or negate or simply convey the fact that something is not. Continue to watch the video to learn adverb of affirmation and negation, definition and example sentences with clear explanations. This video covers adverb of affirmation. What is adverb of affirmation? Adverb of affirmation examples. Adverb of negation. What is adverb of negation? Adverb of negation examples. Examples of adverb of affirmation and negation in sentences. Adverb of affirmation and negation exercises. And frequently asked questions, adverbs of affirmation and negation. Adverb of affirmation definition and meaning. What does an adverb of affirmation mean? The word affirmation in the phrase adverb of affirmation means the act of affirming or asserting something. That is, affirmation refers to the act of asserting some statement as true or existent. So, an adverb of affirmation is, by definition, a word that asserts that something is real, true, or existent. Adverbs of affirmation include yes, certainly, definitely, surely, absolutely, really, truly, and others. Here are a few examples of adverb of affirmation. Examples of adverbs of affirmation. A. Yes, I like chocolate. Yes, I like chocolate. B. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. C. It's surely too late. It's surely too late. D. You're certainly right. You're certainly right. E. I'll definitely teach him English. I'll definitely teach him English. Explanation. All of the example sentences given above contain adverbs of affirmation which are highlighted. These adverbs of affirmation confirm that something is true, real, or existent.